Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you can understand what is resource, what is sub-resource, and URI. First of all, resource. In REST architecture, the word resource refers to any piece of information. User, product, order, these are called resources. Each of these resources will have its own unique address. We can say that is URI, so that the client can ask the server to give it, create it, update it, and delete it. If you are building e-commerce application, for example, we have customer, order, products, product details. These are all the examples of resources. And next, URI. URI stands for Uniform Resource Identifier. A URI is the address used to identify a resource on the internet. In REST APIs, URIs are used to point to resources. See here, one URI is there. HTTP is nothing but scheme. The ecart.com is the host, and orders is a path, and 123 is a resource, particular resource ID. These URIs helps to make API request clear, direct, and easy to manage. Next, sub-resource. A sub-resource is the smallest part of another resource. In e-commerce application, customers can place the orders and provide the reviews and all. These are all comes under sub-resources. For example, in e-commerce application, the main resource is, for example, here order. The sub-resource is reviews, like that. Sub-resource is nothing but smallest part of another resource. This is all about resource and sub-resource and URI. Okay, I will see you in the next video.